Hi everybody, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple long dangle earring. And if you do like this tutorial, please do check out our other ones as well, because we've been doing a whole series of simple, easy earrings, which are fun. Sometimes it's fun to do really long, complicated projects, and sometimes it's great just to do something simple. So I really like this design for spring and summer. I think it would be great with just a little summer dress. You see it sways, it's just fun, and you've just got that nice sparkle down at the bottom. So we're going to be using 1.5 inches of this rolo chain. We're going to be using a crystal by Prestige Crystal Components. It is a 7mm round in aquamarine, but it comes in a ton of colors. So if aquamarine is not your favorite color, or if you're just more of a fan of purples than blues, or you want some pinks, do check out the full collection because there's a lot of different choices. And you could also alter the size. You could do a little bit bigger or a little bit smaller. So lots of customization available. We're also going to be using a little 4mm jump ring, a simple earring hook, and a head pin. In terms of the tools you need, you're going to need 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, a round nose plier or a wire looping. I'm doing wire looping, and then a pair of cutters. So let's begin by making the dangle part. So we're going to clear all these tools away so we have a little bit of space to work with. We are going to take our head pin. So you see it's got that head right there, and that is what makes a head pin, because when you put a crystal on it or a bead or whatever you want to do, it stays. It doesn't come off. So that is what is anchoring that in place. Now we have already pre-cut our chain to be 1.5 inches, so that is good to go. You can make it shorter or longer, whatever you like. And now we're going to use our wire looping pliers. So right above the bead where the wire exits, we're going to grab it with our pliers. So I just got it like that, and I'm going to pinch, fold over, rotate my pliers up to the top, and pull to crisscross. Just like so. So we made a little loop. Now we're going to grab a pair of chain nose pliers, and we are going to just ever so slightly open up this loop like so. So I just bent it back a little bit. And what I want to do now is I want to take my cut piece of chain and slip it on there. So I just slipped it on there. I slid it till it went into the middle of the loop I just made. Now I'm going to take my chain nose pliers and grab my loop. I'm just pinching it. And now I'm going to take this and make a couple wraps. So I'm just winding it around itself. And you don't need to do many wraps. You can do more if you like, but you also can just be okay with a couple. Okay, now we're going to hold this and find our cutters. And right there where you see I'm done with my wrapping, I am going to cut. I'm going to make a little cut. Okay, so now I made that little cut, and now I'm going to come back, and you see there's a little pokey piece of wire sticking out. You don't want that. You don't want that to get snagged on your clothing. You don't want that to scratch your neck. So you just pinch it in. And by pinching it in, you're tucking that wire away so that it's not going to be scratchy. So you just do that, and you've got now that dangle firmly attached to your chain. Now we need a way of attaching that chain to the earring hook. Now we could do it directly because look, this is a little loop that we can open up, and we are going to open up, but I actually wanted just a little extra something. So I am going to add a 4mm jump ring, and I'm going to open it with my pliers like so. I just opened it. I'm going to slip on the last chain link and close it on up. Now, if you don't have this earring hook already open like I did, you would just slip that earring hook on there at the same time. But because I opened the earring hook to show you, I didn't need to do that. So I'm just going to now I'm going to open it a little bit more and slip that jump ring onto there like so, and close it on up. And we finished our earring. A really simple, fun, easy breezy earring for summer. And have fun customizing it. You could do it in gold, you could keep it with the silver, any color crystal you want, any length of chain. So really a versatile design. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please check out our other ones at beadaholique.com.